Hi beautiful people, welcome to Cam TV. In this episode, I'll be making a quick fish vegetable meal. I pour palm oil in a pot, then I add some red onion. I add tomato paste, which is a blend of fresh tomato, onion, chili, ginger and garlic. A teaspoon of ground crayfish, Cam seasoning and salt. Then I add some smoked catfish, smoked hake, mixed together, and a quarter cup of water. Here I'm using water leaf and Ugwu. Give it a proper mix. At this point I add some smoked Titus fish. Gently mix so the fish doesn't break. On a low heat, allow to cook for another 2 minutes and your vegetable is ready. This you can serve with any sides of your choice. Thanks for watching. Please come back next time for another exciting recipe. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumb up. I'm DjCam. If it tastes good, what are you waiting for? Eat it!